Okay. I had Ishant Sharma on the show yesterday.
Oh,
He's a
really?
cricketer.
Okay.
And he spoke about how after a certain point, because you've played so much cricket and you have so many experiences that you've had, your pattern recognition improves. Some people would call pattern recognition intuition or the sixth sense.
Mhm.
I am 100% sure that even on a geopolitical scale, there is a role of your sixth sense.
Absolutely. I agree with you.
Can you talk a little bit about this? Like a slightly higher level of pattern recognition, or even go one level higher than that? Is there like a spiritual aspect? I mean, I use that word cautiously.
No, look, what happens is this is partly experience, but it's partly also hard work. Any business, we are using a sports, but I would use it in my own line of work. You spend a lot of time reading other players, understanding their game, their play, how does it work, their mind games which they try on you. So you try to see patterns in other people, in other countries, in other other foreign ministries, etc. Just like you do in sports. So in that sense, there's something it's a competitive activity. So if you're going up against a competitor, and I am a very competitive person, okay? I mean, when you ask me that bit, I absolutely let you know. I mean, I try to work out as much of it in sports, but I still have a lot left over for my real business. So if you are a competitive person, all the time your sixth sense, as you call it, is working on your, one part I'm listening to you, but if I've seen you do this before, we've talked before, I've prepared by watching you or studying you before, the sixth sense takes over. So sometimes, when you are in a situation, people sometimes ask you saying, oh, did you think about that line before? I didn't. I mean, that sixth sense takes over at that time because you already kind of, it's moving faster than your mind. And it's actually telling you, okay, they're going to hit you with this. So you're already processing it. So you see that coming at you before it actually comes at you. So that I would say it's more like a instinct. You called it spirituality. I wouldn't go that far, but
Sure.
There you have.